Welcome to Loose News. I bet you didn't know about the legal chaos surrounding President Trump's federal funding freeze. Today I'm diving into President Trump's controversial federal funding freeze and the legal chaos it sparked. So here's the deal. Trump recently paused federal funding for grants, loans, and various initiatives. This move could impact education, healthcare, and social services. Some say it's one of his most disruptive actions since taking office. But here's where it gets interesting. A federal judge has temporarily blocked this freeze until February 3, 2025. That means for now, the funding continues. Multiple lawsuits have been filed against the freeze, with Democracy Forward, representing nonprofits, and nearly 24 Democratic states joining the fray. This legal battle brings up some major constitutional questions. It's about the separation of powers, specifically, Congress's control over federal spending, also known as the power of the purse, and the extent of executive power. Trump's allies are pushing back, claiming the Impoundment Control Act, which limits the president's ability to withhold funds, is unconstitutional. A bit of history here. The Impoundment Control Act was passed after President Nixon tried to halt billions in federal funding back in the 1970s. The Supreme Court ruled against Nixon in affirming Congress's authority over spending. The potential impact of this freeze is massive. While the administration claims it won't affect programs like Social Security, Medicare, or student loans, it could disrupt trillions of dollars in funding for other essential programs, from the National Science Foundation to Meals on Wheels. Opponents argue the freeze is unconstitutional, violates federal contracting law, and infringes on freedom of speech due to its ideological nature. So, what's next? The legal battle is ongoing and could eventually reach the Supreme Court. The outcome will significantly impact the balance of power between the executive and legislative branches regarding federal spending. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Catch you next time.